guys, I'll be so excited. I'm so excited. It's Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas day 1. Are you so happy? Happy boy, happy boy. Thank you. Can you tell everybody happy Vlogmas day 1? It's the morning time and we just woke up. Okay.
It looks like I'm gonna be able to use my vlog camera tomorrow. I can overnight a battery. I just bought the battery. I'm so excited. I'm about to get ready. I'm at my desk. My desk is a hot mess. Let me show you. What have I done? Clearly, I've been getting ready a lot. So we will need to clean that eventually together. But for now, I'm just gonna embrace the mess and just work through it, move things around. I had to pull this out from the Credo haul I was doing because I need to use it today. It's the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint. I miss it so much. And I was like, you know what? Why am I waiting to use it? Like every day I'm like, I want to use that. And then I just like keep it in my haul pile. But we'll do the haul soon. But until then, I'm gonna wear this because it has SPF in it and it's a skin tint. So I feel like a little bit more put together. Sunny's in here with me. Hey, baby. How are we doing today? Are you doing fabulous? We're gonna play with him later, but for now, I'm going to get ready so we can run some errands. I have a Target pickup order to do. We have a lot to go over. We have a lot to discuss. We need to plan out our Vlogmas adventures. I'm just gonna get ready right now though. You can definitely apply the skin tint with like a brush or something, but I just use my hands because it's easier. I did forget that I don't like to get it all over my hands though, so you just need a couple drops on like the tips of your fingers and then rub it in. I need to wash my makeup brushes. I have like no makeup brushes left, so we are definitely going to have to do that. I need to put that on my list. And unfortunately, the living room didn't get painted on Monday. Our friends have a lot going on right now. I'm not exactly sure when that's going to get done, unfortunately, but I figured once I get the tree collar in, because the tree collar is coming, I think the 6th of December. I got it from Crate and Barrel because it was the only one that'll fit our huge ass Christmas tree. And so once that comes in, then we can just put the tree up anyway. So it'll be a few days before we can put the tree up, but we'll do it. So I have my skin tint on. My skin feels really good. I don't think I'm gonna powder or anything. I'm just gonna do like mascara and brows and I think we'll be good. Just a little lip gloss. I'm wearing the St. Jane lip gloss in Cloud. It's so nice. I need to go get my dog because he's barking on the first floor, so he's not going to hear me if I tell him to stop barking. The chaos. We made it to the car. I started my period a couple days ago, so Vlogmas of course is happening when I'm on my period. Like, of course. I was hoping it would wait until like later in Vlogmas so I could like get some momentum first. But you know what? We're gonna roll with the punches. And I figured I would share this with you. So we've been like slowly selling the furniture that doesn't fit here. And we sold the IKEA piece, that black IKEA piece. It used to be where this empty space is now. We still have this stuff to sell. Excuse the mess. You guys went on that journey with me of decorating our entryway in our apartment, so I thought it was super fun that I showed you decorating the entryway here. And I meant to get a mount for my phone and my camera and my car, and I forgot. You know, this Vlogmas may be a hot mess, but you know, at least we get to spend December together. All right, I need to go get food. I'm starving. And if you just got motion sickness from me holding the camera, I'm so sorry. I wanted to show you guys my order, but I looked back at the footage and it was like facing like the roof of my car. But I know it's complicated, but this drink is really good. It's an ice quad blonde espresso in a venti cup with 2 pumps of toffee nut syrup, 2 stevia, and extra almond milk. And then I got my classic sausage, egg, and cheddar sandwich with no meat. Honestly, I'm just gonna eat in the car and then I'm gonna go in because I got 2 tables in my order. Oh, I don't even think I told you what I got. I got 2 tables and 2 lanterns. The lanterns are for decor. They're the large gold ones that I saw online at Target, and I was like, I need those. And then also, we got 2 4-foot tables. I thought they were 8 foot, but they ended up being 4 foot, so I have to return them. Well, I'm gonna keep one of them. And then I ended up going to Home Depot yesterday and getting 2 8-foot tables. So it's a whole thing, because we're hosting, I don't know if I told you, we're hosting brunch and I need to seat 14. There's gonna be 14 people here. This is not the best angle. Let's get it up there, baby. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about chairs because we literally don't even have a dining room table, so I don't have any chairs. We only have bar stools, but it's gonna be too high. So I'm gonna have to see how many chairs Nan and Nick's mom has. Hopefully they have some for us. It's hard to see, but these are the lanterns that I got to decorate with. They're gorgeous. I was just looking at the lanterns I got, and don't they look like two different colors? Isn't one like brown and one's gold? Hi boys, we live in a gated community, as you can see. But oh my gosh, I think they gave me two different colors. I might have to go to a different Target and like exchange one of these out at another Target. And this one has like a ring on it, or like some, I don't even know what that is, like some damage. We'll have to see. So maybe this wasn't the best buy I've ever made. I figured we could do a Crate and Barrel haul because it's full of Christmas goodies. Actually, it's a CB2 haul. It's not Crate and Barrel. It's Crate and Barrel box though. Up first, I got 2 of these packs of like teardropped ornaments in neutral colors. So we have a gold, a dark brown, a mercury glass bronze, and then I guess like a tan. They're so pretty. I got 2 packs because stuff like this is hard to find, I feel like. I picked these up. I also picked up, I don't know, this looks really bad quality. Look at that. I thought this was gonna be different. I got a bronzed garland for potentially a tablescape, but it's not full. This is not what it looked like online. It looked gorgeous online, but this is like not very full and it's done very poorly. So I'm not sure. This gives me Halloween vibes more than this gives me Christmas vibes. So I got that. I might return that. I think I'm most excited about these. I got these snowmen. Look how cute. It's like a modern design snowman. They feel very, very light. I thought they were gonna be a little bit heavier. They're definitely glass. They feel like an ornament, the thickness of an ornament. But look how cute. I got these for the background of my video. I don't know if you noticed, a couple times I've tried to film with those 2 Christmas trees in my background. My camera kept focusing on the Christmas trees for some reason. And before those were there, when it was just flowers, my camera didn't focus on it. So this is the haul, just some neutral decor as I do. Now this has like a black top on it, like black marking. So I'm not impressed with CB2's quality at all. Really not that good. Like even on this ornament, I'm seeing some orange spots. I got all this for $100. Was it worth it? I don't think so. So learn my lesson. Don't shop from CB2 for holiday, even when they're having a crazy sale. It's just such cheap quality. That's kind of shocking. I thought they were like better quality than that. At the very least, we have some Christmas stuff. I also did another thing. Hold on. I did a thing, guys. I bought the infamous cup, which I didn't realize was made in China. I didn't know they would do that to me, but it's the YSL cup. How cute. It has a silicone top. And I wanted something to bring my coffees on the go. Of course I didn't have to buy this one, but you know, I'm me. It needs to be washed. It said you can put it in the dishwasher and then it was like recommend hand washing. It's very simple, but she's chic and I'm obsessed. All right, I made it back to my office. I really need to wash my makeup brushes. So that is next on our list of to-dos for the day. We're gonna clean my office tomorrow. I'm gonna need both hands for this, so give me a second. All right, got some brushes. I have more in here, which is my guest bathroom. These have been sitting here for so long. Like, it's kind of embarrassing how long I've gone without doing my brushes. I need to get this done though because I always deep clean my house before the holidays. So this is my goal for today. Ooh, I found a sponge. You're coming home with me. Here's the vlog camera I can't use today. I'll use it tomorrow though. I overnighted that battery, so she should be able to go tomorrow. I've honestly had this for like a year. I just, you know me. I'm slow to do things, but it's okay. We'll get there eventually. It's time to go put in some work. I'm almost out of this dish detergent from the laundress, so I'm just gonna see if this works. I ran out of brush cleaner, so I need to get more. Cute. I decided to rinse those out too, just to make sure they stay clean. All right, let's get to it. We got a lot to do. It literally took me an hour to finish all of these brushes. Thankfully, they're done. The longest thing about washing makeup brushes is the sponges. Those take absolutely forever, in my opinion. I did go through my brushes and throw away any that were from Mojo Beauty. I don't even know if that brand's still around anymore. I don't even know the brand at all, but I had a couple from them and all of the bristles on those were shedding. So I just threw those away. I do want to get a couple more face brushes like this one, like powder brushes. So maybe we'll do some makeup brush shopping later on in Vlogmas. But I was listening to the Spotify playlist the whole time. It's the Christmas classics. And actually, one of my friends from the nutrition program, Paige, she told me about a playlist that I need to listen to. So if you're watching this, hi Paige. I don't know if you watch my videos, but hi anyway. I think it's called Christmas Jazz Classics. I need to figure it out. When I find it out, I'll link it below for you guys in case you want to listen to some calming Christmas music. I haven't meal planned yet or bought any meat or veggies yet, so this is lunch. Probably not the best, but whatever. Protein shake, a little snacky snack. This will hold me over until who knows when. Then I'll eat another snack because tomorrow I'll go grocery shopping. I just really don't feel like it today. I don't have any period cramps right now or anything, but I'm just feeling like tired, and it could also be because I just spent an hour cleaning makeup brushes. So I'm gonna have this. I might watch a Christmas movie, get cozy on the couch, and then I'll show you what else I do today. It's kind of fun not starting the day out working, just going straight into filming. I almost forgot the most Christmassy thing that we can do today. I got an advent calendar. This is the one I chose for this year. It's the Saks Fifth Avenue Beauty Calendar. I got it on sale probably like 2 months ago or a month ago, maybe a month ago, but let's do day one. All right, day one. What do we got? Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Sleep Mist. Restful and tranquil. Prepare for your best night's sleep with our calming and comforting Deep Relax Sleep Mist. Our highly efficacious handcrafted blend includes ground vetiver, soothing chamomile, and relaxing sandalwood, pure essential oils to help shrug off daily fatigue, slow a racing mind, and prepare for your undisturbed restorative sleep. Sounds like my antidepressants. I honestly might end up putting this in my office, but right now it kind of goes with like the decor of my entryway. I do want to spruce this up for Christmas though. I was thinking about adding some like gold twigs or like red berries into here. I actually saw these really cute gold branches from Target, but for one gold branch, it was like $3 or $5, and I was like, for one, I don't know. I'd rather buy a bunch from like online. We'll see. I'm trying to open this. Let's go use this really fast. We'll put our day back. Cute. All right, besties, I think this was a successful first day of Vlogmas. It was so fun. I had such a good time. I have to do some work now and do my nighttime routine, start dinner, and do all of that. So I appreciate you all for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.